Alright, this video is sponsored by Wondershare Filmora. If you are a cubing YouTuber or you want to become one, then Filmora 9 has got you covered. It's a very simple and easy to use editing software, making it perfect for beginners, yet it also includes many professional features that I think that a lot of guys will like. Some of these features include green screen effects, background noise removal, keyframing, and 4K support. Furthermore, it's available on both Mac and Windows, so no matter what computer you're using, you'll be able to use the software. Starting a YouTube channel has honestly been one of the best decisions of my life. It has brought me so many opportunities, taught me so many skills, introduced me to so many people, and none of this would have been possible if I didn't just start making videos. So no matter how old you are, no matter where you live, I highly recommend you guys to just start making videos, and there's no place better to do it than Filmora 9. Anyways, let's get right into the video. Alright, what's up guys, Keeping Coded, and today we'll be taking a look at the Dayan'S Tengyun version 2. Before we start the video though, I just want to remind you that we have new merch. We have t-shirts, crewnecks, and hoodies in basically every color that you can imagine. Furthermore, 100% of the profits are going to a charity called No Kid Hungry, so I highly recommend that you go and support the cause. Anyways, Dayan'S Tengyun version 2. So I've actually been hearing really good things about this cube, which is surprising for me because Dayan really hasn't had a good cube since the Zhanchi, honestly. The Tengyun version 1 though wasn't that bad, and let's see what they have here. So you have a little pamphlet talking about like the design, the tensioning system. We got the cube here. Let's see here, got some accessories. What's inside here? Oh my god, that was way more than I thought it would be. Alright, so pamphlet how to solve the cube. Comes with screwdriver, so that's nice. Extra cord, tensioning tool, and springs. Okay, this is like a full package. Alright, I like it. Let's just get everything out of the way and let's just focus on the cube for now. And here it is. First off, I really like the design. It looks super like tactile. It's like super clean cut. I've honestly never seen a cube that looks like this. Alright, let's do the first turns. That is pretty decent, not gonna lie. So just like the Dayan'S Tengyun version 1, this cube is extremely quiet. Yeah, like if I put some loot inside this cube, it'll be even more quiet, which is pretty good. You know, it's not like other cubes nowadays where you turn it and it like screams in your face. No, this one isn't that bad. As for the turning though, it seems to be pretty fluid right now. The stability is really surprising me. This is a really stable cube. Alright, but the only way to test the cube is to do some solves. So let's just do some of those. So, scrambling the cube. Alright. Small luck up there, but not terrible. Alright, 13 seconds. Not the greatest. As I was turning it, the cube was alright, but I was getting a few lockups here and there. Try again. Okay, 9.8. Another 9-second solve. And 10 seconds. Okay, so overall performance seems to be pretty decent, not gonna lie. Now, do I like this cube more than something like the GAN 354? Frankly, I'm not exactly sure about that. I definitely need to do some more testing. Is this the best cube that Dayan has released since the Zhanchi? Yes, by far. You know, although I'm not being like blown away right now by this cube, it's definitely competitive in like the Thread 3 landscape right now. And I think that this is a great cube to build off of and, you know, create more cubes that are even better than this one. Yeah, so far, like, I'm just enjoying my solving on this. It's pretty decent. It might not be like the fastest cube or like the most stable, but it gets the job done for me. Alright, so if you want to buy this cube, the link will be in the description. Now, should you buy it though? I would say hold off for now. Definitely wait until there's more opinions on this cube, because right now for me, it's a good cube. I like it, but it's not something that I would actually pay for with my own money. Alright, anyways, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.